You wake up, you go to work, you pay bills. You think you are free. You believe you live in the land of the free, making your own choices. But right now, someone 6,000 miles away is deciding what you buy, who you vote for, and exactly how angry you will be today. The invisible war isn't coming. It's already here. And the worst part? You are funding the exact people destroying your life. Funny, isn't it? You pay trillions in taxes for the most advanced military. You bought F-35 jets and nuclear subs to keep you safe. Yet a 19-year-old kid in his mom's basement in Eastern Europe just typed 7 lines of code and shut down your local hospital. Your tax dollars stop nukes but can't stop your identity being stolen or your bank account drained. Let me show how they rob you blind. Step 1. The economic hack. You think inflation is a government mistake? That $6 carton of eggs and crazy rent isn't an accident. Everything is connected. From the code in the shadows to the money in your pocket. Stay vigilant. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as they designed it. Enemy spy agencies realized something brilliant. Why bomb America when you can quietly manipulate global markets to crash the US dollar? They attack the Petrodollar. They disrupt supply chains via proxy wars. One blocked shipping route halfway across the world means you can't afford to feed your family this month. It's an invisible tax on your existence, engineered by foreign intelligence. Step 2. The mind hack. Physical borders mean nothing anymore. The new battlefield is the 6-inch glowing screen in your pocket. Foreign bots don't want to kill you. They want you to kill your neighbor. They create millions of fake accounts. They study what makes you angry. They map your psychological triggers with AI. Then they feed you a crafted lie, and by afternoon, your city burns over something that never happened. Sun Tzu said the supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting. You aren't free anymore. You are programmable code waiting to be triggered. That $6 carton of eggs isn't inflation. It's an act of war. You think foreign enemies want to drop nukes on America? Why would they? When a 19-year-old kid 6,000 miles away can quietly crash the US dollar, they aren't just hacking your bank account. They are hacking your brain. Foreign intelligence agencies use AI to map your psychological triggers. They feed you a crafted lie, and by afternoon, your city is burning from the inside. You pay trillions in taxes for a military that can't stop an invisible heist. You aren't a free citizen anymore. To them, you are just programmable code. Want to know who is really pulling the strings? I just exposed their entire playbook. Click the video right here to see the truth before they take it down. Step 3. The physical hack. Remember the Stuxnet virus? It proved that computer code can destroy physical machines. Right now, foreign spies are inside the US water grid. With one click, they can poison the water supply of an entire city. They have backdoor access to the US power grid. They can plunge millions into freezing darkness during winter. Step 4. The proxy assassins. Superpowers don't fight directly. They use shadow armies and silent AI drones. Top scientists are assassinated by robotic machine guns, operated via satellite by someone drinking coffee in another country. Step 5. The inside job. The scariest part? Our own tech giants help them. You trade your privacy for free apps and convenience. Your location, health data, and deepest secrets are sold to data brokers. Foreign intelligence buys this data legally. They know you better than you do. We are fighting a war where the enemy is already inside the gates. They don't need to fire a single bullet to conquer America. They just need to crash the dollar, divide the people, and shut off the lights. The invisible war is raging, and you are standing on the front lines. Wake up before they pull the plug on your reality forever.